So we fed chickens. And this stupid thing keeps going off. So now we're feeding the pig. There's the man cave for that bro over there. We dug out these ditches so the water would drain out. Not really ditches, but okay. We're at the barn now. Ooh, for a gang. Call the pig Mr. Pigman.
Hey, your shirt's on backwards.
I don't care. I thought it was on backwards. It felt
Hey,
like
I
it.
need you to get this door for me.
What a fat pig.
Get back! Back!
You know, Sportron it in the face again. That's funny. Understand, why ain't that going forward there, man? That pig's spinning tires. Why you spinning tires, piggy? Then pig was like spinning tires. That's how it goes. Pig man. Oh, spinning tires again.
Y'all should go check out Ryan the Can channel. Ryan the Can.
How many videos you gonna say that on?
You're supposed to say that every video.
Why?
Because when you do something, if a YouTuber does something with a YouTuber, it shows appreciation.
Oh.
It's kind of mean not to tell them to go do that.
I
Not saying that you should.
I didn't know that, but I don't think I said it on yours. But people, what he just said, you should go watch his videos too. Get some good videos of trapping stuff. It's the Owen Wilkins thing is what it's called, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
The moo moo cows. Got that chest cam. That thing looks so funny looking.
It works, don't it?
No.
I'll kick you.
Why's that? Moo cows. So is he going here getting your dad, or is your dad going over there with his truck?
I don't know. He's supposed to call when he gets, when Brad gets there. He's supposed to meet us at the end of the driveway.
Oh.
Get outside.
What are we doing? Getting the thing later on?
Yeah.
Yes, we could. Hey, there's the chickens. Just fed those. And that thing's pecking at the fence. That's not healthy. The quackers are the bomb, man. Ain't that right? Want a handshake? Want a handshake with your feathers? Hey, I didn't say to bite me. You don't hurt to bite, do ya? Got them tiny sharp teeth, though. Got that racing mower trying to fix. Just kidding, it's not racing. Could be. Pulley stuck on it. Tell them what happened, person, that we can't get it off now.
Alright, so there's a pulley on the bottom. So when you start your motor, that turns the pulley. And it runs the other belts under there. Well, for some reason, something's broke on it or something like that. And the thing, the pulley won't come off, even with an impact in it.
And the impact broke.
Mm-hmm.
Because it was a cheap one, but there's the pulley.
I'll show you my videos. This one here, got 6 ribs. I really like this here though. That's really.
What do you like? Oh, that, yeah. Swap pulleys, there will be some racing on tractor. Be awesome. Be like, yo. Put a big pulley in the front, put a small one in the back. No? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Small one in the back, and then. Or something I was telling you. Might have been yesterday. And I said I was going to show you. Oh, I know what it was.
What?
The pumpkin. That's what it was.
Oh.
I could show it on your mom's car. Oh, gosh. You got the Pro mower there. That one broke down, so it still runs.
I don't think your viewers have seen this.
Oh, yeah. The mini bikes.
Both of my mini bikes. This one here is a Coleman CTU 200U E, something like that. It's a 196 motor.
I think this was the best, just how it looks. Looks like an old, like, Harley or something.
This one here is a Baja Warrior. It's got brand new tires, brand new brake here, brand new motor.
Tires? New?
Yeah.
Did you say that already?
Yeah, I already said that right.
Oh. This
here is a 212cc. This is 196. This one goes about 30. This one goes about 25. It's not much faster. Seat here, bungee strapped on.
So, that's how I like it. Oh my geez. Guess what she sends again? Alert!
Alert from what?
I don't know. She just
Let me
put
see.
alert. Well, I ain't gonna click it now because the video goes off after a while, even when I pause it. But I think these ones are the best ones for some reason because we had the same one. But other than that, like the frame is what I'm talking about. But this one's good too. This one looks weird just because of the seat. Because it's smaller. This one's like one big fat seat. But this one,
You can almost fit 2 people in that seat.
this one, Cameron, he put a header on his. I think that's what Dylan was saying. He put a header on it. It goes pretty fast, but I was riding it that one day when Dylan and him wrecked. Did I tell you about that?
No.
Oh, man, that was funny. So Cameron, he has this little kid's go-kart, right? Like, I don't know. I call it the yard cart because, I don't know, because it's small. You can't do much with it. But it will go fast as heck. And
How fast? Faster than my bike?
probably. It was right behind Dylan on his dirt bike. A little bit. But Dylan could still beat him, though. I think. I don't know. It's been a while. And I rode the not dirt bike, but thing back on. Alright. I rode the mini bike. Cameron was riding the go-kart and Dylan was riding that dirt bike. And usually Cameron, we would go up to the top trailers. And usually Cameron was drifting around the turn. And then Dylan would go in, and then this time he thought Dylan was going to go on the outside and he'll go inside. And Cameron and Dylan both went on the inside and they had a head-on collision. And it fractured Dylan's elbow. But at least they wasn't going as fast because they were going slow. But they were still going pretty fast. I just came around there with a mini bike. I was like, are you okay? So what are you doing, untangling that knot?
Yeah. You want to ride up there or you want to walk up there?
Here. Well, like and subscribe to this person's video. I think I already said that. It might have been on the other video, but it's Owen Wilkin. So, this is the end of the video. Like and subscribe.